Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we will talk about indoor plants. Indoor plants are mainly used for the decorative purpose, but it also have a lots of health benefit. Today we chose such 5 indoor plants which are not only a great indoor decor piece but also a great air purifier. Through photosynthesis, they convert the carbon dioxide we exhale into fresh oxygen, and they also remove the toxin from the air we breathe. One famous NASA experiment published in 1989 found that indoor plants can scrub the air of cancer-causing volatile organic compounds like formaldehyde and benzene. I buy this plant from the nursery, and after 2 to 3 days I will plant them in a nice pot. Generally, when we buy a plant, we have a tendency to shift them in a nice pot immediately. But I suggest not to do so because the environment of the nursery and the environment of your house is completely different. Give the plant a couple of days to adapt the environment. Our first plant is rubber plant. It has a fancy Greek name, Ficus elastica. It is a beautiful plant with its large and deep green leaves. Second one is Erica plum. NASA include this plant in top 10 air purifying plants. There is a different size available in market. This is the small one. And this is the big one. Third one is pothos. I only have the money plant and I have already done a separate video on it. I will mention the link in the description box. The fourth one is snake plant. Snake plants vary in color but usually have the green steep leaves and commonly featured a yellow border. I buy this plant from nursery, but it can be propagated by cutting. And the last but not the least, the ZZ plant. It is one of the easy to grow house plants which needs minimum maintenance. In this video, I generally discuss how to plant this indoor plant and how to take care of this plant. For the indoor plant, you have to remember 3 things. First, soil. In this case, I take 60% garden soil and 40% vermicompost. After mixing the soil, we will fill the planter and cut the bag in which we buy this plant from the nursery. And please try to be gentle and not to disturb the roots. And then plant them one by one. The second important thing is water. Water them once in 3 to 4 days and water them thoroughly and wait until the water seeps from the bottom of the pot so that each and every root receive the water. And you also can spray the water like this. The third important thing is sunlight. All these plants love the bright but not the direct sunlight. You also can grow this plant in early morning sun or the late afternoon sun. So, place them properly. Sometimes you need to clean the leaves unless dust will block the sunlight and reduce the plant's ability to photosynthesis. Hope this video is little bit informative and you enjoyed this video. If you do, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.